Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquin, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another video on Arduino, and today's problem is that write a code to blink an LED through Arduino UNO R3 board. Okay, so to do this problem I am using today Arduino IDE and also the Arduino UNO board. Okay, so there is a Arduino UNO board actually, and through this board I'm just build the circuit for to blink an LED and also write the code in the Arduino IDE. Okay, so go to the computer screen. I will discuss today's problem step by step elaborately. Okay. Now I'm just within the Arduino IDE, and here I'm just write the code to blink an LED through Arduino UNO Board R3. Okay, so to write the code within the Arduino IDE, we should know some syntax. So actually when we write the code, there is a two different functions used. One is void setup, other is void loop. Void setup, this function is only execute one time, okay, but void loop, this function executes repeatedly again and again. Okay, so actually the initialization part is done within this setup part, and any execution part which is need again and again repeatedly is just right within this void loop. Okay, so for today's problem, to blink an LED, so we need a particular digital pin. So suppose we take the digital pin here, pin number 4. Okay, so in that case we are defining a variable at first. Just write int, just write the variable name is pin, and the value is 4 because we take digital pin 4 here. Okay, and after within this setup, this particular function, we just write the another built-in function we just call here, and the function name is pin mode, and here we send two arguments. One is the pin number, the pin number is 4, so the just send the variable name is pin, and another part is output, means through this pin we are actually blinking the LED. Okay, so that's why it will be the output should be there as another argument is concerned. Okay, so this is the first function. We are completed the setup where we are using another built-in function which is pin mode. There is a two argument, one is the pin number, and what actually does, it does to give the output through this pin, means it blinking. Okay, and now we just go to the void loop, this particular function where we write how to blink. Okay, so here we write digital write this function and send the argument same way, the pin number. So we just send the variable name pin, which is actually 4, and then we just write the state high, means it will on. Okay, means the LED will on, and after we just put some another function is delay and send the argument is 1000 millisecond, means 1 second, and after again we call this digital write this function and send argument the pin variable, means the pin number, and the state is now low, means it will off. So on off, in that way the blinking is going on for the LED is concerned. Okay, and after again we put another delay, so it's also the time for 1000 millisecond, means 1 second. Okay, now I already write the code within this Arduino IDE and just save this code. Just go to the file and just save, and suppose we put the name of this particular sketch, means this code is also known as the sketch. So just write here blink underscore LED. Okay, and automatically the file extension is INO. Okay, So when we save that particular file with some the name of the file should be whatever we given, and the extension should be INO. Okay, blink underscore LED dot INO. Okay, so we already write the code into there. So now we need to build the circuit. Okay, so just see, this is your Arduino UNO board. Okay, so these are actually your digital pin, start from 0 to 13. Okay, and there are some pins are there which are PWM, pulse width modulation. So actually I don't use this pin for today's example is concerned. We take number 4. Okay, the pin number 4, just written into there, number 4. We take this pin for today's problem because we write here int pin 4. Okay, and here we using 2 hook wire. This 2 wire is needed to do this particular problem. One LED, this is a green LED we have taken, and another tools is needed is a resistance which is 220 ohm. Okay, and also the breadboard through which I just built the circuit. Okay, so at first what happened, we take the ground position. So this is the ground position. Okay, for this Arduino UNO R3 is concerned, and we take this ground position, this part. Okay, now we just shown this is your LED, and there is a some long leg is there and some is small leg is there. The long leg is called your anode, which is go to the pin number 4, and the small leg which is cathode, which is go to the ground. Okay, so just put this ground, the small leg here, and this will be just go to any position of this breadboard is concerned. Okay, because these are connected in column wise. Okay, now we put the resistance, this anode part. Okay, and just put here any position of that, because we know it will connect it in actually in column wise. Okay, and after this position is concerned, from there we take the connection and just go to the pin number 4. This is written into 4, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the circuit is over. It's very easy circuit. The LED is there, the longer leg is the anode. Just go to the pin number 4, just through the resistance 220 ohm, and the cathode, which is a smaller leg, just connect to the ground to this Arduino UNO. Okay, now what happened, I just plugged in, because we know to run this particular circuit we need to provide the power within this Arduino board. Okay, to add this power through USB connector. So this is the USB connector. Through this USB connector I just put the power within this Arduino UNO board. Okay, we just power it using this USB connector within this Arduino UNO. Okay, and now what happened, at first we checked our code, any error is there or not, just check, compiling the sketch at first, no, there is no error, and then we load the sketch to the Arduino board. Okay, so just press this button. Now actually there is no upload port is provided, just go to the tools and port is there, just select the port COM3 Arduino UNO, it should be needed to be select, otherwise the sketch is not loaded within this Arduino UNO. So again we try to load this, just click this button, yes, it is loaded, and just see the particular LED is blinking a particular time interval. So time interval is 1 second, just see, each and every 1 second the green LED is blinked. Okay, means the blinking time is 1 second. One for high means is on, and another after 1 second it just off. So in that way the blinking procedure is going on. Okay, so there is, when you write a code through this Arduino IDE, should remember you should choose the port part also, otherwise just see this is an error because it can't upload the sketch within the Arduino board. Okay, I hope you have understood today's problem. Today's problem is very simple, how to write a code to blink an LED using Arduino UNO Board R3. Okay, and for that case we are using here the Arduino IDE 2.1.1, and we just write the code, means we just write the sketch, and should remember the extension for the sketch or code is concerned is INO. Okay, and when it will complete, there is no syntax error, then we just load the code within the Arduino UNO board, and then whatever the logic provided within the loop function specially is just going on. So today's problem is that for a blinking is concerned, it just blinked. Okay, if you like this video, please like it, share it. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it. Keep watching my channel Technical Arduino for upcoming videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.